Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal Cashback Mastercard for safe online purchases, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your PayPal Cashback Mastercard handy. If you don't have one, apply for it through your PayPal account or the PayPal website. Once you have the card, log into your PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon. Look for the option labeled Banks and Cards. Click on Link a new card and enter your PayPal Cashback Mastercard details. Make sure to input the card number, expiration date, and CVV code correctly. Once the information is entered, click Save. Next, enable the cashback feature by going to the cashback settings within your account. Review the terms and conditions associated with cashback rewards. Once you agree, confirm your acceptance by checking the box provided. To ensure secure online transactions, activate two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings and locate the security section. Select the option for two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to enable it. This typically involves entering your mobile number to receive verification codes. After setting up two-factor authentication, review your current payment settings. Set your PayPal Cashback Mastercard as the primary payment method for online purchases. This ensures that whenever you shop online, your cashback card will be used automatically. Next, familiarize yourself with any specific merchant policies that may apply to cashback rewards. Check for any exclusions or limitations regarding cashback offers on certain purchases. When shopping online, ensure you are on a secure website. Look for https:// in the URL and a padlock symbol in the address bar. Before finalizing any purchase, review the total amount and ensure your cashback card is selected. After completing a purchase, check your account for the cashback earned. This will appear in your PayPal account under the cashback section. Regularly monitor your account for unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to PayPal immediately. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your PayPal Cashback Mastercard for safe online purchases. With the card set up, enjoy shopping securely and earning cashback rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.